Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My topic is LL parser and grammar. Contents. Throughout this presentation, I will discuss about on this topic about LL1 parser, LL grammar, LL language, LL and LR parser, Mac and LL grammar, and LL parser. Now I am going to discuss about LL parser. A top-down parser that use a one-taken head is called an LL parser. The first L indicates that the input is read from left to right, and the second L says that it produces a left to right derivation. LL grammar. It's a subset of deterministic context-free grammar, specifically this that can be parsed by an LL parser. This parser needs the input from left to right and construct the leftmost derivation of whatever we are parsing. LL language. An LL language is one that has an LL grammar to define it. You can also use a non-LL grammar to define an LL language, but this is not convenient. Also, sometimes you have a language that may not look like LL at first, but with a few modifications to its grammar you may find out that you can make it LL. LL and LR parser. An LL parser is predictive. The number within parentheses in LL or LR means the number of legged taken that the parser is able to see to make the next decision. LR1 parser can parse any deterministic context-free grammar. It might be difficult to find a grammar for it, but it is theoretically possible. LL parser for any K are just as powerful as LR. The grammar needed for it just becomes more complex, verbose, or difficult to find. LL1 parser can only parse LL1 language, but LL2 parser can parse LL1 and LL2 language. Make an LL grammar. If we want to attempt to make an LL grammar, there are several constants that you have to follow when define it. The constants are given below. Make an LL parser. Make an LL parser. Construct LL1 parser. Step 1. First, check for left recursion in the grammar. If there is left recursion in the grammar, remove that and go to step 2. Step 2. Calculate first and follow for all non-terminals. First, if there is a variable and from that variable if we try to derive all the strings, then the beginning terminal symbol is called the first. Follow. What is the terminal symbol which follow a variable in the process of derivation? Step 3. For each production, capital A implies A. A tends to alpha. Find first. And for each terminal in first, make entry A implies A in the table. In first contains epsilon s terminal, then find the follow, and for each terminal in follow, make entry A in the table. In the first contains alpha and follow contains s terminal, then make entry A alpha in the table for the S. To construct the parse table, we have two functions. In the table, row will contain the non-terminals and the column will contain the terminal symbol. All the null production is the grammar will go under the follow elements, and the remaining productions will lie under the elements of the first set. Thank you.